Hello, welcome back to my channel. It's Stella's Recipe. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to press the subscribe button below to see more interesting recipes. Today, I'm gonna make an eggplant beef roll. It is a low-carbon recipe that could be categorized as a keto food. Usually, eggplant roll includes a rice ball inside, but I'll put a tofu instead. Tofu is so proficient in protein, so you'll be full enough without having a steamed rice or bread. This is also good for an appetizer before having a main course. So if you're ready, let's get started. First thing you have to do is slice the eggplant. I don't want eggplant to be too thick, so I'm gonna use a wide peeler to slice eggplant. Then place them on a tray and sprinkle salt and pepper. Leave this for 15 minutes. Then brush the oil on a pan and put a pickled eggplant on it. Roast them for 1 minute and 30 seconds for each side in a very low heat. And then let's season the beef. Put 1 spoon of sugar. Put half spoon of ground garlic. Put 2 spoons of cooking wine. Put 1 spoon of soy sauce. Put 2 spoons of oyster sauce. Put 2 spoons of water. Put 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. Put a bit of pepper. Mix them very well using a whisk. Put 200 grams of beef. I'll use a thinly sliced beef, which is the front leg of the cow. Leave them for 20 minutes. Put 1 tofu in a boiling water. Let them simmer for 5 minutes. Take them out from the water using a net. Place them on a cotton and squeeze them very hard to remove any moist inside. The tofu is very hot when stir-boiled, so be sure to wear a glove. Afterwards, put tofu in a bowl. Put 6 teaspoons of bean flour. put a bit of salt. And mix them using hands. It'll be less moisty and feel like a flour dough. And then lump tofu together using hands. Be sure to make each mass 15 grams each. Place the seasoned beef on a cutting board and place an eggplant at the 1/3 point of a sliced beef. Put a tofu mixture at the end of eggplant and roll them until the end. When you're done rolling them, put them on a pan in a very low heat. Try rolling them on a pan for 5 minutes. Place him on a dish with a soy sauce. So we're done. This is the most soft beef I ever had. I guarantee that this tastes awesome, but it'll be helpful for your weight loss. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button below. See you in the next video. Bye bye.